If you've been wanting to build a beautiful church website without spending a dime and without needing to code, then you're absolutely in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a stunning church website using WordPress and Elementor, absolutely for free. By the end, you'll have a site you can be proud of, ready for your congregation and newcomers to explore. So let's dive right in and get started. The fastest and easiest way to get your church website online is by using a pre-built church template. This not only saves you a ton of time, but it gives you a professional-looking base to work from, even if you're not a designer. First, we're going to download a church template. There are a variety of websites that offer free WordPress templates specifically designed for churches. Just search "Free Church Website WordPress Template" and you'll see plenty of great options. When choosing a template, look for one with a clean design, clear navigation, and spaces for all the things a church site usually needs, like service times, sermons, and contact info. Once you've found a template you like, go ahead and download the file. Usually this will be a zip file, so just save it somewhere you can easily find it. Next, let's hop over to your WordPress dashboard. We're going to upload the template you just downloaded. To do this, just head to Appearance and then Themes and click Add New here, where you'll upload that zip file by clicking Upload Theme. If you're using a template that's just for Elementor, you might be importing a template file inside a page, but don't worry, they'll usually tell you in the instructions. Wait for the upload to finish. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once it's uploaded, just hit Activate and the template's ready to go. Now here, where you get to add your church's unique personality. It's time to customize the template and swap out images so your site truly fits your community. Head over to your homepage and click Edit with Elementor. You'll see the template all laid out and ready for editing. Start by changing the images, swap in photos of your building, your services, or your congregation. You can add your logo, update the colors to match your church branding, and of course, change all the text. Update your church name, worship times, events, pastor's bio, anything that matters to your visitors. Don't worry if you're new to this. Elementor's drag-and-drop style makes it really straightforward. If you ever get stuck, just pause and take a breath. Sometimes all you need is a fresh look at things. While you're customizing, think about your audience. Imagine someone visiting your site for the very first time. Make sure it's welcoming and all the important info is easy to find. If you're not sure how something looks, hit Preview to check before you publish. It's kind of like trying on clothes before buying them. And finally, once you're happy with the way your website looks, don't forget to save your changes. Hit Publish if it's your first time putting the site live, or Update if you're making tweaks. Take a moment to look it over and celebrate. You've just created a professional-looking church website with WordPress and Elementor, and you didn't spend a penny. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, or if you got stuck along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out, and be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your awesome new church website.